In today's video, I'm going to teach you a straightforward guide on how to navigate through QuickBooks to access and print your invoices. Whether you're handling your business finances or just keeping things organized, getting your invoices printed correctly is a crucial step. So let's dive right in. To begin, the first thing you'll need to do is open your preferred web browser and go to QuickBooks. If you're not already signed in, make sure you have your login credentials handy to access your account. QuickBooks is a fantastic tool for managing your business finances, and we're about to see just how simple it can be to get things done when you know where to look. Once you're logged into QuickBooks, look for the Sales and Get Paid section on the menu. It's usually located on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, you need to click on Invoices. This section will show you a list of all the invoices associated with your account. Now, we're going to select an invoice that you'd like to print. Take your time here to choose the correct invoice, perhaps one that needs to be sent to a client or kept as a record for your files. Once you've selected the invoice, you'll notice a series of options appear. Look for the More Actions button in this list. Clicking on it will bring up additional tasks you can perform with the invoice. From these options, go ahead and click on Print. This will prepare the invoice in a format suitable for printing, either producing a digital copy or sending it to a connected printer. With the Print option selected, QuickBooks will generate a print preview. This is your chance to review the invoice details one last time before committing them to paper. Make sure all the necessary information is correct. If you'd like to adjust any settings, such as the number of copies or specific pages, this is the perfect moment to do it. And there you have it. Printing your invoice is as simple as that. After confirming everything looks good, proceed with printing. This straightforward process ensures you have physical copies of the invoices you may need for record keeping, client requests, or any other purpose. Thank you for tagging along on this short tutorial. By following these steps in QuickBooks, managing and printing your invoices becomes a hassle-free part of your business workflow. Make sure to check back for more guides and tips on effectively navigating QuickBooks and other business tools.